Previously on the ae92 Levin rearwheel drive conversion project. Project ae92 Levin rearwheel drive conversion. Before I start the major operations, I'm gonna tidy up a bit. Yeah, make sure everything level up now. The next thing I'll be doing is measuring up to find the center line of the front rearwheel drive subframe. Center line. I'm going to get the subframe up under the car to see how it lines up. I'm going to add the pieces that the subframe will be bolted on. Find the center line of everything that is the center line of the subframe, the center line of the car, and align them. Very, very important. I'm going to just go out of the strut along with the hub. Time to get rid of all the unnecessary brackets. Tired of seeing them in there now. It's gonna be really not really bad. First bracket out and away with that. Time to get rid of the battery style too. Give me my stickers. Wait, no, put it on this, put it on my tool. Hey, excellent. Maybe I have to give my stickers, you know? Excellent. Excellent work going. The operation has begun. Alright, let's get into it. Watch me now! I just saw the nut. Want to see these in there. These are for FWD front wheel drive. This is a RWD. Is going to be a RWD rear wheel drive. After cutting off the radiator support, it is best to sand down the sharp edges and tape it to prevent injury on the project. Find them center lines. Operation chassis cutting has begun. Using the chisel and the hammer, chip away thick undercoating so I can find where the chassis has joined. And off it comes. And out. What I have done here is cut the bottom of the firewall so that I can push the rear wheel drive front subframe support through it to tie it to the car. Leveling it up.
Creeping up from the heathens, got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm
at this stage in the project, I have no room for errors. So I have to level it up, measure it up, check it through it, ensure that everything is on point.
Tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart, or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste, and my mind starts feeling. I don't pace myself, I grind.
Checking. Seems alright.
I just love the feeling.
Okay, good to go.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing
Remeasuring.
I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got
so I did me a show one of my boy project. And that come in and say, yo dog, how we are doing so much line on card and level? If I was not doing it, I said, no dog, I said, no, it's not build but I say you go man, carry construction money, even though you carry be very this too. I don't know say the custom fabrication thing, you know, modification thing, is it?
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody.
More
honestly.
measurements.
I've been living in my own head, constantly thoughts jumbled around. Think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase a bag. I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch.
No room for errors. Everything has to be on point. Whatever measurement I get into there, that has to be on the right. Both sides have to be equal.
Sick of the venom in my brain, running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness,
More
myself, I never
measurements.
fake it. Seen no many ones that are so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started to outlaws for profit. All I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me, just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail.
More measurements. Everything has to be on point. Whatever the measurement on the left, that should be on the right there. So I've measured every point possible in the project, and everything checks out. Everything is in order. So I'm gonna start tacking up. Start welding. I don't want the subframe to shift, so I'm going to tack a piece of steel to the chassis and to the subframe so that it doesn't shift. Rechecking to see if it is still level. No room for errors. The correction to be done has to be done from now.